How to cook spaghetti at home. Let's start cooking spaghetti. Bring 8 to 10 cups of water to a rolling boil. Don't forget to add salt. Add in 16 ounces of whole wheat pasta, 1 pound. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes or follow box instructions. Remove pasta from heat. On medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of onion, chopped. For cloves, garlic, chopped. Sauté garlic and onion for 1 to 2 minutes. Add in 1 pound of ground beef. Add in 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. 2 teaspoons of dried basil leaves. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. 1/4 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes. 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. Mix and cook meat for 8 minutes. Add in 1 pound, 8 ounces of pasta sauce, 24 ounces. Mix everything together and let it simmer for a few minutes. 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Mix, mix, mix. One to 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. A pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Time to serve. Top with Parmesan cheese. Garnish with dried parsley flakes. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.